How do we file for divorce in Arizona? In mediation, we have three main filings. So your first filing is a petition. A petition is what you would classically think of starting your process for a divorce or an initial filing. When someone says they filed for a divorce, they're referring to a petition. That petition is establishing a case number with the court and beginning your legal process. That petition is typically served on your partner, either by a process server or sheriff. In mediation, we use a receipt referred to as an acceptance of service. This ultimately limits the conflict and cost associated with a service process. The signing of acceptance of service is what begins your 60-day waiting period. So in Arizona, we have a mandatory 60-day waiting period. Your divorce can't be any shorter than that. At the end of the 60-day waiting period, we file what's referred to as a consent decree. Your consent decree is your final agreements that are signed by you and your partner and ultimately signed by a judge to finalize your divorce. Your consent decree includes agreements related to separation of assets and debts, parenting-related agreements, as well as support such as child support and spousal maintenance, which in Arizona is what we refer to as alimony. So ultimately in mediation, we're keeping your filings very light and limited to save time and money, and keeping your process as low conflict as possible.